Hey guys, so we are over here at Fort Wilderness and we are going to the bike barn because we are going to let them sift or mine for gems. Freaking fat. It's a little tiny dinosaur. There's like 6, 7.
To get one.
I'll try to catch one later. I've never seen those before.
No, we want to do the mining.
What we did before is we got the mother load because it comes with that really big one and then we kind of split it up. I don't know, do you want to do like one mother load?
Two mother
Two loads?
Oh my
Sounds good.
god. And then y'all can. Are you sure? Yeah.
Okay, friends, so for our not on this, we do for our crafts and bikes and our kayaks and canoes. So it's going to come out to a grand total of $70.27. Paying with card today. Go ahead and tap into your swipe whenever prompted. How many sifters total are we going to need?
4, please.
4?
No, we're on that. None down.
There's one and there's 2.
Thank you. Here, you grab the bag.
So mother load is the best price for them, and it just comes with the most getting the gems, and Kaylin really likes gems, so we'll see what they get.
This best value overall, right? Especially because you can split them all. They'll give you as many of the sifters as you want.
I'm here for just sponsors.
Okay, cool.
And there'll be some good fossils, I think.
There are. And
Dump a bunch in there and then
then.
sift it out.
Thank you, Mom.
Put those in my pocket or something. Yours.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Careful, you're gonna lose some. Oh.
It's
That's
the
just
big
one
one.
giant
I was like, oh god.
Yeah,
Oh, that's so cool.
like a
You guys are gonna have a big one.
geode.
Like, can you?
Oh, let's see.
Lacey.
Oh.
That's not how Lacey. That's not how you do it. Yeah, there you go. I'm like,
Thank you, Cassidy.
I'm like, I don't actually think I even know how to do it, but that's not it. Oh yeah, no, you're supposed to do it like this. There you go. Oh, how do you get it down smart?
We got 2 high school graduates.
One senior.
Yeah, senior and a sophomore.
My bag's over.
A sheet of everything.
Aw. Can make a necklace out of that.
Oh yeah, some of them are really. Oh, do you have the bag for me? Here's Alan. Here's the parcel.
Yes.
Oh, look at that one.
Sahara clam.
Wait, it says one.
So that's what it is.
Kaylin, that's gorgeous.
And I dropped it.
Where's my bag?
Do you see it? It might have rolled. Oh.
Rhonda, can I get
Oh,
back?
it fell right there.
Oh, wow.
That is very pretty.
really
actually,
cool.
If I don't drop it again.
Actually, it's pyrite.
Yeah, no, because look, there's like that almost golden. I got so much pyrite. What is this?
Little nugget.
Big ass. Well, the same thing. That one's cool. That's not actually gold.
How do you know?
Oh, that's so pretty. It's the pyrite.
I see it. Yeah, pyrite.
None of them have the gum attached.
Oh, thank you. The rest for you.
Yeah, that's all mine are so far.
Well, I got another one. Ooh, I got another one.
You got seven.
Oh, look at the arrowhead. Big old chunky one. I also got a pair too. That one's cool.
Oh, that's cool.
I don't want them.
Look, give me down if you.
I know, it's what I'm saying.
Jasper.
Can I have it?
Kaylin wants the ugly green poop one.
It does kind of look like that.
It's pretty.
But it's cool. You need a rock
Did
tumbler.
you guys get your big one? Yeah. Oh.
What is it? Where is it? Same thing.
Well, have you guys seen my big amethyst chunk? That's where I got it from. This
Oh.
is where I got it from.
So you're guaranteed.
In the mother lode, that's something else. And if it, they have them displayed on the wall. When you get the smaller ones, even if you get them smaller for each person, you don't get as many good things.
Gotcha. Okay.
The bigger you go, the bigger the things you get.
Bigger the
and
haul.
everything.
Okay.
Yes. So it's again easier if you can share the mother lode.
Primewood.
What do you do when you're done with all this?
I'm not
Looks like
actually
left.
quite sure. Another starfish.
Over.
Oh, look at this. Oh, hey.
There's still a lot.
Oh. Ah! See?
There's actually a lot of dirt in there.
Yeah.
Alright, that's pretty.
Whoa. This one looks like a little curled up shrimp or something. Oh, maybe it's just like a rock.
It's a Sahara gas rock.
All these are for
Oh, look at that
challenge.
green one.
That's pretty.
And the red.
Oh, dang.
That's really cool. I mean, all of them blue too. Yeah. Is that a tooth? This came from quite the eclectic beach.